Pipes are mostly what filters were in Angular 1, where you put a pipe inside of a binding, the name of the pipe, like uppercase. I'll hit save, and you can see that each of my to-dos will switch to uppercase. And Angular 2 ships with a very limited set of pipes. So don't expect to be able to do much more than uppercase, lowercase, JSON, and very simple things before you have to write your own. So let's go ahead and write our own first pipe, because it's much more interesting to filter out this array of to-dos rather than just, manipulating a simple string. So we'll start with writing a pipe that can find each to-do that starts with the letter S. So to create a pipe, I'll come and create a new TypeScript file. I'll call it search pipe. I'll import pipe from Angular 2/core. And pipe is a decorator that you toss on top of a class, just like component is. And all we're going to give it is a name of search. And then we'll export a class of search pipe. Our pipe decorator is going to expect our search pipe class to have a transform method, which it knows it can call to take the input and then output something based on whatever we implement inside of here. So the input, we'll call it value. It's actually going to be an array of to-dos. And the output can be value. So it'll basically input and then output the exact same thing. So to use this, I'll import my search pipe from search pipe and then toss it in the array of pipes. So you can just think that my template here has directives, it has pipes, and each of those need to be put in arrays so the template knows where to look for those. And then because I named my pipe search, I can add it onto my array here. And right now it doesn't do anything because it just returns that exact same result set. So what I want to implement is returning a filtered set. So if I say value filter, because filter is a method on array, and then I'll use an arrow function to check against every item. Now an item is going to be a to-do model. So my item has a title, and I'm going to check if it starts with the letter S. So to-do model, the string of title, and strings have a method called starts with, which can check for the letter S. So I hit save, and it has filtered out every to-do model which doesn't start with the letter S.